All right, guys, today we are talking about toilets, which I swore I would never do this on my channel. But when you live in a van, I get asked this question all the time: what do you do about a bathroom? Because if you have seen the inside of my van, then you know I opted to not do the indoor shower or indoor toilet. So I've used a few different things, but today I'm going to be reviewing the new Modiwell dry flush toilet. They sent me their brand new model, the LE-330, and I haven't even opened this up yet. So I'm gonna open this up with you guys. I'm gonna get it all set up, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about this new toilet. So what have I done the last 4 years of being in my van? 3.5 years ago, I started with a cassette toilet, and I used that. It worked great. The main issues for me were having to dump it places. I also was very particular about only using that for liquid waste and not solid waste. And so you do other things like finding restrooms, using campground bathrooms, using beautiful nature. But at the same time, that's not always convenient, especially when you're in locations where you're around other people. And so it always was a little bit of a stressor for me on what am I going to do about this. All right, so I just picked up this box from a post office in Oregon. They shipped it out to me. I'm literally meeting some friends to camp for New Year's in the woods, and I want to see if I can set up this toilet in the middle of the forest with you guys. All right, let's see what's inside. Probably a lot of packaging that I'm going to have to get rid of at this point. Oh, this looks interesting. It's different looking than what I thought. This must be the bottom of the unit, I'm guessing, or I can't tell if this is the top, but it looks kind of like spacey cool, I guess. Little sci-fi. Let's get this out of the box and take a better look at it. It reminds me of a big egg. This is interesting. I've never seen one shaped like this. It's kind of different and cool at the same time. I do like right away, this has reinforced legs. On their older unit that I tried before, the legs did not seem quite as sturdy as I would want with how often I've moved the toilet back and forth, because I keep my toilet underneath the garage space of my bed. So under my bed, I have garage space with a door, and I like to keep my toilet right in there and then pull it out every time I want to use it. Well, the way the old legs were designed, it wouldn't always stay because I wasn't lifting and using it, I was dragging it out. And so these look a lot sturdier, and I'm looking forward to seeing how well that works out. First of all, this is the only item in the box, which means anything I'm going to need for it must be inside the lid. So I'm going to get it stood up on its legs and kind of see what it looks like. But so far, I really like how compact this is. I feel like it's going to fit in a lot of different spaces based on your rig. It also looks like it has a really nice carrying handle here, which the other one did not have. So I'm already liking that quite a lot. I think it will make it very easy for me to move this in and out of my garage as I need to use that. Okay, so here is the height of the unit. Here is the handle that folds down behind. Also, my hands are freezing because I'm doing this review in the winter in the snow. You're welcome. You guys can enjoy this from the warmth of your homes watching this. But this definitely feels like a little bit of a spaceship or something. Oh, it has some fun stuff inside. It looks like we're gonna have our instructions for the user manual. We also are gonna have the liners that you're going to be using. And this right here looks like the box that holds all of your charging equipment, because you do need to make sure to get this unit since it is electrical. And then you also have a couple bags. You also have a couple bags of these coagulants. These are super absorbers, and they help deodorize and are used inside the toilet before you seal everything. So got a couple bags of those. And then I'm gonna remove this right here. And this is the actual system that holds the liners and is going to seal everything by heat for you to remove it safely, all the while without using any kind of water. One thing I really like about the dry flush toilet is you don't need to worry about putting water in it first, and especially when you're not carrying a ton of water or you're running low, it's nice to not be using all your fresh water that you have in your van for other situations, or in your RV for that's drinking water. I don't want to have to be putting that in my toilet like a cassette toilet. So that is something really nice about this. The dry flush is just like a very unique and different approach to toilets inside an RV or a van. But I also think because it has the easy handle for carrying it, that this would be something, if you just go camping and you want a toilet while you're camping, this might be a great solution as well. All right guys, it is a new day and I had to stop last time because when I was setting everything up last night to show you guys how to get the toilet assembled, a car started to come around, and last thing I want to do is be in the woods demonstrating a toilet with a car driving by. Well, it turned out that they actually know Jason from Primal Outdoors, so they stopped and chatted for a while, so that was really embarrassing. I just had my toilet sitting up on the stump the whole time. But we are now camping with some friends, and so they get to be a part of this whole toilet review with you guys. Yes. So we are up camping for New Year's weekend with our friends Courtney and her husband, and Ben stole my chair, and Jason. So Marshall and Courtney, I want to ask you guys do a lot of weekend camping because you work full-time, you're weekend warriors. How important is a toilet situation for you when you are out camping in the woods?
Well, I'll just say as a girl, it's very important. I mean, we could do without it. You could really rough it, but why would you want to when you could have a really nice toilet and be comfortable?
Agreed. What about you, Marshall?
You know, like growing up camping, it was never even a second thought. But after Courtney expressed her concerns with having an actual place to go to the bathroom and have a functioning toilet, I've come to really enjoy it myself. So, yeah.
Once you've done the upgrade, it's hard to go back, right?
Hard to go back.
Yeah. And you guys travel with your kids too, right?
Yes, yeah. So for our kids, especially our daughter, it's really nice to have an actual toilet.
And you guys have a super nice rig. So you have the whole truck set up with the rooftop tent, and then you have the nice like tent area for your toilet.
Yes.
Are you excited to know if the Modiwell is a good one or not?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
for sure.
Very unique.
Did you know you were going to be doing a toilet review with me when you came camping?
No, but we are up for anything. So.
Jason, how important is the toilet situation for you?
Well, I use the whole cat hole thing for a lot of times, but in the wintertime that can be somewhat challenging, and in certain like locations where it's very rocky, that can be challenging. So having a toilet is important, I think.
And what we're going to do is we're going to get this started. I've actually charged this toilet in the van already. This is where you're going to plug in your electrical charger, and you're going to get that charged, and here's your power button. So before you actually get everything all set up, you need to make sure that that is fully charged, so that way it can dispense the liner like it's supposed to. So you're going to lift up your lid, you're going to lift up the seat, take that part off, and then you're going to remove this item right here. And then you're going to take your liner and get that opened up to put that inside. Oh, an upgrade that I'm very excited about this model is with their old prior model, their bags were a clear whitish color. The new model for this toilet actually comes with black, which is nice because when you're disposing of different things, you don't want to see through your bag. And I feel like this is just a nice, easy upgrade that they did on their end to make using their whole system a lot easier. Now, when you set this down inside the seat, it's really important that your arrows are pointed up. So you're just going to set that along the outer ring here like this. And then after you have these lined up, you're going to have the two, one on each side, one in the front and the back, and then you're going to remove these tabs just like this. All right, and after you've taken those tabs off, you're gonna put this back in place right over the top, line it up, pop it in all the spots. Okay, it's all popped back in. Now we're gonna take the outer liner lip and pull that up evenly on all four sides, about 20 centimeters straight up, like this. You're gonna make sure that your power is on. That means that everything is ready to go down below. So the opening is open. And then you're going to pull that up, grab it with evenly on all 4 sides. And then right about now, and then push it down through that hole. Okay, and then right after you do that, we're gonna take the jig you can find in the back of the toilet right here, pull that out. You're gonna run this down through your liner, through the rollers to make sure that it's actually situated in the rollers to catch the liner. So when you do power on, it's sealing everything how it's supposed to. Your little jig, push it down through those rollers just like that. There we go. Okay. And then next we can put our toilet seat back on it. Just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and push our manual mode to pull it through a little bit. And then you hold down your start button for 2 seconds to start the process. And you're gonna see it say 100. It's gonna do a countdown from 100 all the way to 0. Once that process is done, see how it's pulling everything through? Now underneath is actually gonna be sealing. And it takes about 100 seconds for that process to finish, and then it's gonna drop it down. When it's done, let's see how this initial bag did. Okay, perfect. So this is what you wanna get when you are installing it to begin with. You can see this really nice vacuum sealed line. So now when you look inside your toilet, you have a brand new sealed beginning to start with. This down here is already sealed and ready to hold any waste that goes in. If you need to lower the bag for any reason, like say for example, you just know you're gonna need more bag than what you thought, you can just push this manual button and it will start dispensing it a little lower for you. So let's put this to the test. I'm gonna go grab a cup of water. We're gonna put that in there and see how well it actually holds. Guys, I grabbed a cup of water. We're gonna pour that in and see how leak-proof this actually is. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and hold down our start button till we see the 100. Okay, it's gonna start dispensing everything. Now it's gonna do the seal and we just have to wait for the countdown to finish. Once it gets to 0, all of our liquid water will be down in here and we'll see how well that actually held. Modiwell also provides the bags of the coagulants, and what you can do with these is if you are gonna have liquid waste, you're gonna wanna open one of these bags and put it inside the toilet first. It just helps with odors, and it's something that is good if you're gonna be traveling for a little while and you don't have an easy way to dispose of everything right away. Moment of truth, let's see if this is gonna hold up. We've got a nice tight seal on here. Everything is held in place how it is supposed to. This is actually pretty good.
Flip it upside down.
All right, real test. Courtney, will you show us if this bag is being held properly?
It was sealed on the
Top and bottom.
Ta-da.
There we go, look at
No
that.
leaks.
No leaks.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Ooh, maybe you guys will be getting a little upgrade soon. All right, Primal Outdoors, you wanna give this a good shake?
Shake and bake. Shake, shake, shake. That's the important part. It sealed both ends.
Correct. This held the test. It did a great job. I'm actually very impressed. I'm going to be using this for a little while to see how well it works with my system. Something else that I want to point out about this system is how thin those liners actually are. You can store several of those in your rig, and that goes a long ways, whether you're camping and packing a tote, like a box for the weekend, or you're in your van or you're in your RV. The biggest thing is storage. And so not only is the toilet itself small, but the liner and the replacement liners are very small and compact, which means you can keep several of those in your rig at all times. If you're wondering how these bags hold up in extreme conditions, Modiwell actually makes a blue refill bag designed for colder temperatures. What matters most is where you're using the toilet. If it's inside your van or RV and kept warm, any Modiwell bag works great. But if you're using it outdoors while camping, make sure you choose the right bag color for those colder conditions. Each bag is designed with different priorities like flexibility and odor control. I know for myself, being a woman, how important it is just to have a reliable, clean way to use a toilet on your trips or living in my van full time like I do. I'm really excited about this one because I think it really checks off all the boxes and the things I'm looking for. I want something that's going to be portable, lightweight, but most importantly that it works and seals everything and makes it easy to dispose of. And so I'm very excited because this actually does all of that, and I'm looking forward to using this more on the road. And I'm hoping to do a follow-up for you guys in about another 3 months down the road and just let you know how it's been working out. If you're interested in the Modiwell dry flush toilet, click in the links down in my description for more information and how you too can try out this new toilet. It's probably going to change my life of how I do things on the road from now on. But like I said, not only is it great if you live full-time in your rig, but this is a really good solution for camping, a weekend warrior. It's so easy to transport. It's light, easy to carry, move back and forth, and I feel like this is making my life so much easier, especially if I'm going to be camping around friends. Thanks so much for watching my review of the Modiwell Dry Flush Toilet, and until the next adventure, I'll see you then.